Welcome back to the Lymphoma and Related Diseases Registry, LADA. Today I'm very excited to have Dr. Arina Martinchik next to me. Hi, Arina.
Liza.
Could you tell us about yourself?
I'm a hematologist from Ukraine, and I work in the National Cancer Institute with the help of one of our international friends, Professor Massimo Federico. We set up lymphoma registry there. When war started, I came to Australia. Massimo introduced me to one of his friends here. The idea was that I'll provide some support to T-cell lymphoma project. I was then introduced to wonderful lymphoma registry team. From that event, my good journey in Australia started.
Yeah, and now you work at the Austin Hospital.
Yeah, one of the lymphoma registry team member was Eliza Fox. She offered me position as lymphoma fellow.
That's good. You did a CLL study with us. Could you tell us about your study as well?
Yeah, it was another like a coincidence. I was offered to help with some CLL data from the registry under supervision of Mary Anderson. She is an expert in CLL. Because the registry is composition of different data, I reviewed CLL cytogenetics and FISH reports from the registry. In Ukraine, it's usually doctors who are entering data, and we didn't have that problems. But here in Australia, it's predominantly data managers, and the interpretation of these FISH reports is sometimes difficult even for doctors because different laboratories provide different presentation of those data. We looked through all those reports, updated the information in registry, make sure it's complete. We created a very good paper containing information about CLL patients, and the results are really interesting.
That's good. And you also share your auditing experience with our data managers in one of the meetings.
Yeah, that was good experience as well. So as continuation of that project, we decided to provide more information on that particular FISH and cytogenetic report to coordinators and data manager who are completing the data. We did an educational lectures of how reports can be presented, how they look, explain the technology of these tests. I think after that lecture it was easier for data manager to understand what they actually need to do with these reports and how extract the information.
Yeah, exactly. That meeting was actually very useful. I learned a lot as well. Have you got any words for other clinician researchers?
Lymphoma registry, it's endless ocean of different projects, and this is really great opportunity for young doctors or clinicians in the beginning of their career to try some research and participate in those projects. So I would highly recommend to look for every opportunity. It can start with some data audit.
Yeah, thank you very much, Arina. This is very insightful.
Thanks, Eliza.
Thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.